Here's what's making cannabis news today. Khiron Life Sciences has received final approval from the TSX Venture Exchange to close its previously announced acquisition of Neta Growth International. Neta Growth owns all of the outstanding shares of a Uruguayan company, Dormal, and is a Latin America export-focused cannabis company based in Uruguay and is well positioned to serve Brazil and the growing Latin American market. Khiron issued 8.5 million common shares to the shareholders of Neta Growth at a deemed price of $1.61 per common share. Liberty Health Sciences released its Q1 2020 financials. Q1 revenue was $5.5 million. Gross profit was $2.2 million with 40% margin. Net loss was $3.2 million or a cent per share. Cash and cash equivalents at the end of Q1 were $5.4 million. Transcanna Holdings released its Q2 2019 financials. Net loss for the period was $3.9 million or 17 cents per share. Cash and cash equivalents at the end of Q2 were $2.2 million. GTEC Holdings released its Q2 2019 financials. Q2 revenue was $109,000 and net loss was $2.3 million or 2 cents a share. Cash and cash equivalents at the end of Q2 were $2.2 million. CannTrust Holdings announced that the special committee of the company's board of directors has retained Greenhill & Co. Canada as the special committee's financial advisor to assist in the review of strategic alternatives. These alternatives could include a sale of the company, strategic investment, business combination, changes to the company's operations or strategy, or continuing to execute on the company's current business plan. There can be no assurance that the special committee's review of strategic alternatives will result in any transaction. Cannabis MedTech announced its intention to change its name to EuroLife Brands. The change is to better reflect the direction of the company's business activity. The company has secured the trading symbol Euro. The company will also be completing a subdivision of its issued and outstanding common shares on the basis of 4 new shares for every 1 share held. Fire & Flower Holdings Corp. will issue an aggregate of 615,058 common shares to holders of the company's 8% unsecured convertible debentures of an aggregate of $793,424.66 interest payable to the holders of the debentures. High Tide Inc. announced that its Canna Cabana retail store in Fort Saskatchewan received its first delivery of cannabis products from Alberta Gaming, Liquor and Cannabis. High Tide currently has 15 branded Canna Cabana locations selling recreational cannabis products across Canada. M. Hardeen Group, with its joint venture partner, the Chippeways of Rama First Nations, released designs of their 94,650 square foot cannabis campus to be located in the community of Rama, Ontario. The campus will be a combination of indoor greenhouse cultivation containing 6 cultivation rooms, a 5,500 square foot GMP certified extraction facility, a cannabis education center, retail dispensary, and 2 greenhouses producing extractable biomass. The combination facility is expected to be complete third quarter 2020. Produce a run rate of 3,800 kilograms of high-quality dry flower, 675 kilograms of bulk oil. Trueleaf Cannabis Corp. opened the doors of a new Fernandina Beach location today. The new storefront marks the company's 30th location, a record for Florida's dispensaries. And that's your news for today. If you want to hear more on weed stocks, check out the Cannabis Daily at MidasLiar.com.